This is another angle of the windstorm. Look up there at the roof. Just wrecked. There ain't no skylight. This was all closed before that windstorm. Oh man, nuts bad. You can see right there where it just shattered that hunk of wood off. Just went, man. It's nuts. All this stuff was pretty decently organized in here too. You can see the big difference. Look, it looks like that over there, and then just piles and masses of stuff blown around. It's nuts. Really crazy. Look, you got a metal flag over there. 3